IntelliMagic Vision provides visibility from many sources to assist sites in managing their CICS workloads. RMF Type 72 reporting provides key transaction level metrics at the service class or report class level. SMF 42 reporting shows dataset level metrics and performance. Each of these areas is covered in separate videos available on IntelliMagic.com. This video introduces the great visibility and context-sensitive drill downs that IntelliMagic Vision provides into the rich set of metrics available in the SMF 110 CICS Monitoring Facility transaction records. Initial views of transactions are available either by total CPU consumed, as we see here, or by transaction volumes. The filtering capabilities of IntelliMagic Vision can also be used to narrow your analysis to specific areas of interest. For example, here we can indicate that we want to only be analyzing transactions that begin with these two character strings. And then once we apply that global filter, all the reporting will subsequently then only cover those transaction codes. Or another way the filter can be used is to filter on CICS region names, otherwise known as generic Apple ID. So now all the reporting is for only those CICS regions that begin with that character string. Drill downs are available to analyze this transaction data in many different ways. For example, let's look at this transaction, and here we see response time across the selected time interval broken out by the standard CICS response time components. This transaction has measurable I/O wait time, dispatch but not using CPU time, as well as CPU time. From here, then, we can drill into the subcomponents, for example, of the I/O wait time. So for this transaction, all this I/O wait time is wait for control at the end of MRO. And for these top 30 transactions by volume, they can be analyzed from the perspectives of these response time components. So here it's by CPU per tran, broken out by subcomponent. Here are the I/O wait times per tran, again broken out by subcomponent. The other wait times per tran, again broken out. And as well as resource manager interface time, again broken out by the subcomponents. To facilitate analysis of the frequency and CPU cost of ABNs, this chart shows the frequency and of ABNs by transaction code. And then this chart also shows it by ABN code. And again, there's drill downs from here. IntelliMagic Vision also enables analysis at the level of web services. So here we see the volume of transactions using web services. We can then drill into this and see the web service operation names across the bottom, or we can also drill down and see the web service resource definition names. Or we can begin from the level of the resource definitions and then drill down further from there. The built-in compare and statistics deviation capabilities of IntelliMagic Vision can be used to identify changes also in these web services over time. Finally, the extensive raw data in the CICS CMF 110 records is available for detailed analysis, as seen in this list of data categories on the left. For example, here we see the number of program load requests by transaction, and again with numerous drill downs. So for example, here we can drill down and look at this data by a CICS region. So this has been a brief demonstration of the visibility provided by IntelliMagic Vision into the CICS Measurement Facility 110 data to enhance the effectiveness of CICS performance analysis. Go to IntelliMagic.com for many other videos demonstrating how IntelliMagic Vision can enable you to leverage the vast potential in your SMF and RMF data to proactively improve availability and enhance the effectiveness of your performance analysis.